Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
I just wanted something to fill up my utensil drawer when I just moved in. So I bought this set. It's reasonably good value. Most of the stuff I use, such as these measuring cups, the scissors that came with it broke. That was the one thing I didn't like. It wasn't designed well, so just after a couple months, it broke. So I had to replace it. So this did not come with it. There are some useless things that came with it, such as this. I don't use it, but it might be useful for others. This whisk, I don't use. I just use a fork. I'm just used to using a fork, but it's handy to have, and I could see why people would, some others might find it useful. This grater is a basic grater, very, very basic. The problem with this grater is that sometimes if you're using the top end, you can't gauge it very well, so whatever you're gratering will just get down to the middle end or the bottom piece, and then you got a smorgasbord of different size grated food. It's a great starter kit. Not sure if I would get the same kind again, but it was very helpful when I just moved in.
Love these kitchen utensils. You get so many things for such a good price. You get a cheese grater, whisks, an extra scissors, bottle opener, and ice cream. This is why I really got it, because I need a can opener, tongs, 10 out of 10. And I just got the silver and black because they go in a drawer anyway, so they don't have to match your kitchen.